Welcome to this user guiding tutorial, the platform that's designed to enhance user onboarding, engagement, and self-service support. In this video, we'll explore the core features of user guiding and guide you through the initial setup process. User guiding offers a suite of tools to improve user experience, including interactive guides, banners, hotspots, checklists, surveys, resource centers, a product updates page, a knowledge base, and an AI assistant chatbot. You can also segment your user guiding tools to target specific users, like onboarding new users, promoting feature adoption, and providing self-service support. To get started, install the User Guiding Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. This extension allows you to create and customize guides and hotspots directly from your website. To activate the User Guiding Chrome extension for the first time, log into the User Guiding panel, go to Engagement, Guides, and click on Create New Guide. Enter the guide name and the URL you want to build your guide experience on. If you've already created one, you can select a theme or just continue with the default one for now. Once you click Confirm, the extension will automatically open your chosen page and activate User Guiding. Now you're ready to create building your first guide. Inside the extension, you'll find a few ready-made templates for modals. Let's start with the welcome modal as an example. Click directly on the text to edit. You can add emojis, rewrite the message, and adjust the subtext below. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Then click Next Step to continue building your user journey. Now let's add some tooltips. Tooltips are perfect for highlighting elements on your page. Choose one of the available templates and select the part you want to highlight. Similar to the modal, click on the box to edit the text. When adding a tooltip, you can choose how users will proceed, by clicking a button or interacting with an element on your page. Save and preview to see how it looks like in real time. If you like what you see, move on to the next step. Let's try another example, the input field tooltip. This type of tooltip encourages users to enter information directly in your product. Select an element, edit the text, and click Save again. You can always preview your guide to make sure it feels seamless. Next, let's create hotspots. These are great for drawing attention to new features or important areas on your platform. Switch to the Hotspots tab and click Create New Hotspot Group. Give your group a name, choose a theme, and start adding hotspots using one of the provided templates. Just like tooltips, you can attach a hotspot to any element, edit the text, and save it. You can customize hotspot interactions, icons, and beacons to match your brand style. Preview it to see how it looks like live. It's easy to create a theme that fits your platform perfectly. Head back to the User Guiding panel and go to Themes under Engagement. You'll see customization sections on the left and a live preview on the right where you can see the changes instantly. Adjust colors, typography, and button styles to match your branding. Themes act as reusable templates for all your onboarding content, so your guides, tooltips, hotspots, and banners always stay consistent. To style checklists in the Resource Center, you can configure their designs individually in their own settings. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save. Checklists help guide users through essential tasks step by step. They make onboarding clear, engaging, and gamified with interactive modals and tooltips. Each time they complete a step, it's checked off the list, and the progress bar gets closer to completion. To create one, go to the Widgets tab in your User Guiding panel and click Create New Checklist, and start adding items to your checklist. You can link each item to an existing guide or a specific page URL. Your users can check off the items as they go, giving them a sense of progress while ensuring they complete every step of the way. The Resource Center acts as a hub for all your user support materials. You can integrate a variety of media into the Resource Center, like checklists, guides, a knowledge base, videos, external links, and more to provide users with easy access to help without even leaving your platform. To create a Resource Center, also head to the User Guiding panel. You can find it located under Widgets. Click on Create New Resource Center, and over here you can scroll down and see all the modules you can add. external URLs, guides, checklists, a code snippet, and more. You can even create groups to have them organized. To finish, you can click on Save. Create a knowledge base where your users can find answers fast. Your knowledge base is a standalone site with its own URL, but you can also add it inside the resource center so users never have to leave your product. You can create categories, subcategories, and organize your articles within them so your users can find them easily. To create your knowledge base, go back to the User Guiding panel and click on Knowledge Base. Over here, you can add your categories and organize them. Something like getting started, using core features, troubleshooting, or other functionalities. To create your article, head over to Articles and create New Article. Over here, you can give your article a name, a title, an article description, and write the content that you want within it. Compose the content of your article, ensuring that it's clear and focused. You can add headings, images, GIFs, videos, code blocks, and more. Keep your articles short and action-oriented. Once you're happy with your content, click Save, and you can publish it. To make your article and knowledge base live, head over to Page Settings, and over here you can change the status from inactive to active. By default, your knowledge base will be available through the User Guiding subdomain, but you can also add your custom domain instead. Under Access, you can choose to keep your knowledge base public or private. Head back to the Categories tab to add the article that you just created. You can select it and click Save. You can also preview your knowledge base by clicking Go to Knowledge Base. Use the Product Updates page to announce your latest releases and updates to your audience. Communicate the value of these updates and gather reactions and feedback. You can attach a label to each post to keep them organized. Similar to the knowledge base, you can also integrate it seamlessly within your app using the Resource Center. From your User Guiding panel, go to the Product Updates tab, click on Posts, and create New Post. Add the name of the post for internal use and add a cover image to make the post more attractive. Add a title for your post and complete it with the content. You can also include other elements like hyperlinks and videos. Enable reactions to capture feedback. From the post settings, you can change the post date and labels here. Add labels like new, improved, or fixed. Turn on boosters to highlight new posts, and you can preview it to see how it looks like. Once you're done, click Save and Publish. You can also collect valuable user feedback with in-app surveys, customize questions and logic to understand user satisfaction and areas for improvement. To create one, open the User Guiding panel and go to the Feedback section and open the Surveys tab. Click on Create a Survey, and you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your purpose, or start from scratch to design your own. Click to add your questions and adjust the structure to match your goals. You can show the survey to all the users or target specific segments using custom segmentation. When everything looks good, click Activate, Save, and Publish to start collecting user feedback. Include banners to your website to announce new features, updates, or campaigns. From the User Guiding panel, navigate to Engagement, Banners. Select a template that fits your purpose or choose Create from Scratch to design a custom banner. In the banner text field, add the main message you want to display. Under Buttons, you can customize up to 2 buttons, adjusting their text, style, and click actions. You can even schedule your banner to appear within a specific time window. Once you've set your layout and configurations, click Save, activate it, and publish your changes. To finish integrating user guiding with your platform, you have to add a small Java code snippet to your website's header. This step requires minimal coding and can be done quickly. After installing the code, now you can activate all the material that you've created with user guiding. After setting the configurations that you like, click on Activate, Save, and Publish changes. Now your content is live. After you got some engagement from the material that you've created, User Guiding provides detailed analytics to track user engagement and guide performance. Use these insights to optimize your onboarding process and improve your user retention. And that's how easy it is to create, customize, and launch interactive onboarding experiences with User Guiding. For a deeper dive or advanced tutorials, visit our Help Center at help.userguiding.com.